Hi friends, let's learn about shapes and sort them out in this hungry caterpillar. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Three-sided shape. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is a four-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These seems to be the eyes of the caterpillar. Let's find out the eyes. Oh, it's a circle. It's rounded shape and it's a circle. Let's find another one. Circle. I found another circle. Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. It has 3 holes and 3 sides. Square. It has 4 holes and 4 equal sides. Pentagon. Pentagon is made of 5 sides and it has 5 holes. Let's put it here. Pentagon. Circle. Triangle. Rectangle with 2 holes and 2 long sides. Square. Circle. Rectangle. Pentagon. Triangle. Square. Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Square. pentagon. Wow, this hungry caterpillar looks so amazing with all his shapes in it. Pentagon, square, triangle, rectangle, and a circle. Thank you for watching.